Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Culver, Interim President of Mohave College. As we come to the end of the semester and prepare to head into the new year, I'd like to share a Mohave College poem looking back on our wonderful year together. Twas the close of the semester, a time to look back on progress and milestones along every track. Our Bighorns moved forward with courage and grace, leaving hoofprints of growth all over the place. All through the year, from the spring to the fall, we tackled new projects, both big ones and small. Then midsummer brought a change at the top of it all, as one president answered a brand new call. Dr. Klippenstein waved by with grace and style, rolling off in a steel sleigh with a grin and a smile. The torch then passed forward with care and intent as I stepped in to serve as your interim president. With the board on the search for who's next in the chair, we kept our focus on students, on service, on care. We expanded our programs and pathways this year, launched our first bachelor's degrees with a cheer. Cosmetology earned board and HLC green light. And dental won national honors that felt just right. And one of the biggest milestones we could show was retiring MCC and letting Mohave grow. A new name, Mohave College, bold on each sign, same heart, stronger future, one unified line. On the pitch, our men's soccer team answered the call, charging into the national Final Four with the ball. In Bullhead City, the roar was loud and vast as Firebird Field took the Bighorns' name at last. At the AMTC, we cut the ribbon with flair, with the governor on hand and welders everywhere. And all across the campuses, the moment was great. 807 grads crossed the stage to celebrate. 5 all-Arizona scholars made the Bighorns proud, earning tuition to universities, cheered by the crowd. And one brisk day in gear that was heavy and tight, I joined fire science students to feel their hands-on fight. From Bighorn Trek journeys to Pumpkin Fest nights, Mohave College shines filled the campuses with lights. The foundation fired up a barbecue second to none, a national-sanctioned cook-off where friends and support all won. So proud of our students who studied long days and nights, balancing life, work, and classes, and reaching new heights. To the grads of this term, take a bow, you did right. And to those back in spring, keep your goals in sight. To our Board of Governors, guiding and wise, thank you for vision that helps Mohave rise. And to every employee on campus and online, your daily hard work makes this college truly shine. So as this semester comes gently to a close, we celebrate how much this Mohave story grows. Rest well, Bighorn family. You've earned the reset. The best of our journey is still coming yet.